Hey, so at the beginning of this video, I'm talking over a running saw as I assess the tree situation, and I'm doing that for a reason. It's so that the saw warms up before I start cutting. If I just crank that thing on and start going to town, the metal will expand too quickly in the cylinder and will cause damage, and then the saw won't run very good in the future. So I'm letting it warm up as I explain what I'm about to do.
Ooh-wee. That hole's like 5 or 6 feet deep. You got this hanger. I'm gonna cut it here, drop that, dice it up, fill in that a little bit. So you don't have to move so much dirt, but then this guy is probably across the trail down there because you can see it right here. Couple cuts to do today. Cool, so that fell down like that, and then I diced it into a couple more pieces. This is really hard wood, and then I just kind of strategically tried to get it to land so I could use it as a crib wall. And then I pulled out the back slope there, dropped that, and gave ourselves a semblance of a tread. But this is all sand, it's not good for this. So first good rain, this is gonna melt, so it'll get tighter. It'll probably end up being, the tread will be half as thick once this stuff washes off. So someone will have to come back and give this a proper roto-rooter job here. So when you are cutting stuff on a trail, clearing a tree that fell, look down the hill before you lop off any logs. You don't want to, if one gets away from you and rolls down the hill, you don't want to knock out somebody that's walking. Also, you want to look, like that was a really big root, and then I looked down, I could see that top of it comes across the trail again. So somebody only called in the first one from up there. They never made it this far, so they didn't tell us that, you know, it hit the trail again. So just do your due diligence and check everything. Now let's get this guy.